Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to open up Drive. Next thing you need to do is to go to Files. Next thing you need to do is to click on these three dots. Next thing you need to do is to click on Manage Access. Next thing you need to do is to click on Restricted. Next thing you need to do is to click on Only People Added Can Open. Then switch to anyone with the link. Next thing you need to do is to click on Viewer. With that, you can decide to choose commenter or editor or viewer. So if we want to switch to commenter, click on commenter. It's going to be updated to the file link in your Google Drive. If you want to switch back to editor, click on here and switch to editor. It simply means that once they open the link, they will be able to edit the file in that particular link in your Google Drive. It's that simple. This is how to set commenter, viewers, or editor to your Google File Drive on your phone. For more tutorial about how best to use your Google Drive, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.